Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Takagi Tankless water heater is not giving proper hot water or the flow has become slow, one common reason can be a dirty filter. Over time, small particles like dirt, sand and debris collect inside the filter and block the water flow. This makes the heater work harder and can reduce its performance. Many people ignore this small part, but cleaning the filter regularly is very important to keep the system running smoothly. When the filter gets clogged, it can also affect water pressure and heating efficiency. The process of cleaning is simple, but it must be done carefully. So, in this video, I will show you step by step how to clean the filter in a Takagi tankless water heater. Try these. 1. Safely turn off the Takagi tankless water heater and close the water supply. 2. Locate the filter on the Takagi tankless water heater inlet connection. 3. Remove the filter from the Takagi tankless water heater carefully. 4. Safely clean the filter of the Takagi tankless water heater. 5. Check the filter of the Takagi tankless water heater for any remaining debris. 6. Reinstall the filter in the Takagi tankless water heater and turn the system back on.